Here's my way of making seafood paella, which serves 6 to 8 people and is made in 30 minutes. Start by boiling 2 cups of rice. Here I'm using basmati rice, but if you can find paella rice, use that instead. Boil until half cooked and leave this aside. In a separate pan, add 4 tablespoons of butter ghee on high heat. I'm using homemade ghee here, and if you want to try your hand at making ghee, the link is above. To the ghee, add 2 onions finely sliced. Fry the onions until it is slightly browned. Once the onions have slightly browned, add in half a red, green, and yellow pepper with half a cup of fresh or frozen peas. To this, add a 1 tablespoon of red chili garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Mix and allow to cook for about 5 minutes. Then add in 4 bay leaves, 1 heaped teaspoon of crushed red chilies, 1 teaspoon of fine cumin or jeera, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of rough salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of seafood spice, and mix this for about a minute. Then add in 1 kg of washed and cleaned prawns and 500 grams of fresh hake cut into cubes. And remember, if you want to add in mussels and calamari, you will add this in last. Also note that I'm still cooking this on high heat. Cooking on high heat ensures that the water released from the seafood dries up quickly. After 5 minutes of adding the seafood into the pot, add in 4 blended tomatoes and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Immediately thereafter, add in the half-cooked rice. Add in all 2 cups of the rice. The rice will soak up all the water and the yummy flavors of the spices and the seafood. Loosely turn the rice, as I have done here. This will ensure that the rice is cooked evenly throughout. Try not to turn the rice too much, as this could break the seafood pieces. Once most of the water has been absorbed, add in a 1/4 teaspoon of saffron steeped in half a cup of water. At this stage, you can add in your calamari and mussels, but I have left this out because my family isn't a fan of these types of seafood. Garnish with some slices of lemon, some sliced red, yellow, and green peppers, some chopped parsley. Close the lid and allow this to steam for a few minutes. I wish you could smell how fragrant this is. The smell of fresh seafood and those spices just makes this dish so appetizing. Do give this recipe a try and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and until the next vlog, happy cooking!